7 technologies that are actually made in Africa. Most people don't know this, but there are several African countries that are now manufacturing their own cutting-edge technologies. From vehicles to renewable energy, here are 7 examples of technologies that are being manufactured entirely in Africa. Number 7, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing. This Nigerian company is assembling cars, buses, and trucks that are specifically designed for the Nigerian and wider African market. Number 6, M-Kopa. This Kenyan company is assembling solar home systems and other products that are changing the way people in Africa use energy. Number 5, Kai Scythe. This Zimbabwean inventor has created a self-powered car that doesn't require charging. He's also working on self-powered TVs and generators. Number 4, Mellow Cabs. This South African company is manufacturing fully electric, 3-wheeled vehicles that are being used as taxis in several African cities. Number 3, Biovac. This South African company is manufacturing vaccines that are helping to save lives across the continent. Number 2, Ushahidi. This Kenyan software platform was developed entirely in Africa and is now being used all over the world. Number 1, Zipline. This company is assembling drones in Africa that are being used to deliver medical supplies to remote areas. And the bonus, the Omnia Fold S1 smartphone is a foldable phone developed by Loveworld Incorporated. It might not be the most advanced phone on the market, but it's definitely one of the most unique.
Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more of this kind of video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.